popping everybody? You know what? It's Mandy for Bramanga, Mr. Obreaction. So we are back, and we are back again. Show guys, I'm happy, and I'm happy. So I'm Safar Yanga and prefix or pre-Mr. Fix. Umuna fix actually oba siyete oba na bamba and the maze of fell track evizofi wuchiro ndi ndwa. Hey. What am I gonna say, man? Without any further barabaring, let's get to it and live.
CVK Instrumental.
Mbiria kwatasa ya munna shamba lich kunembele nazo unembele shamba suwa halo. That's beautiful, man. Come on, prefix. Come on. Okay, nice verse from prefix. That was beautiful, man. Nice verse, beautiful verse. I love it, and yeah, like come on, guys. That was a beautiful verse. The only verse I me zone different by me. So what me? Mara, man, prefix. Mwah.
Bakorera utotopumele mera bakotera bakori babare banera bashumera abakori rorena bamwe bari tusapezi pala kamera awe inhale kanishangoli kopera ochimwe chipinga ndiafamuya ukopera mratsaridera ndaparero watera ndayanda pasera zvisakore nakera Shiro nindindwa ni ono dimbuza rusani Butseni matatanga na ndimbuza ndibuzani Nendo tambulesa shila ndina tambuzani Kaso ndisatendi utambula na terani Matadandi manji, uchilo ndi laifi Babu yasi banji, baita zvibiri banji Makungondi manji, basi wanari banji Basadwe na laifi, shagoni hasi banji Uchilo
ndi Okay. And me, Zafir, that was not bad, that was good. The track so far is fire, man. The track so far is fire. Like 2 minutes, 19 seconds, and the second was 3 minutes, 20 seconds. So, hey, come on, man, let's go, man. Okay, so that was prefix, Mr. Storyteller over the Bamba and Mesophil, man. Bamba doesn't disappoint. Bamba does like it doesn't disappoint. his chorus was good, or let me say hook. His hook was good. It was amazing. Like I loved it. Mwah. And Moses Chikwamba nga prefix Mune, he killed it, man. He killed it. Not like this is type of his music, like don't music prefix, so he killed it, man. And also Mr. Phil, it was good verse, man. Overall, this is a beautiful track. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Nandi for Bromanga, Mr. Operation. But someone we have a new show in conversation with in our drop Mikada music, and the next one is coming to in the Pina Zawudi Nga. You never find if you Mr. Operation and if you mangenge and Sudan operator. Let's keep moving, man. Yo.